Welcome to Experience Hey Hi, a day of discovery, creativity, and inspiration. Hosted at Tech City Hub here in Lagos, Nigeria, this event brought about 60 young students to unlock the exciting world of AI. From hands-on model building to learning how AI impacts the world around them. They didn't just learn AI, they didn't learn about it, they experienced it. Wow! Step by step, they discovered the power of technology and their own potential to shape it. With guidance from our amazing trainers and volunteers, students drove deep into the experience and they explored the diverse fields where AI thrives today, ranging from art to medicine to climate science and journalism. And they saw how AI professionals like those who work at Google DeepMind use technology to impact the world around them. Their journey continued as they built their own AI models and tested them and analyzed data. They learned how bias affects what goes into the AI training model. And along the way, they discovered the importance of data accuracy and how it is also a responsibility for every one of us to contribute to what is going on in the world of AI so that AI can be built without bias. Beyond just technical skills, our goal was to spark curiosity, build confidence, and inspire creative problem solving. Each student left with new ideas, fresh inspiration, and a glimpse into the world of AI careers waiting for them. A huge thank you to all our partners, the Raspberry Pi Foundation, Google DeepMind, Tech City Hub, and our sponsor, Women Tech Makers. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And all our supporters, volunteers, and trainers who made this day possible. We appreciate everyone. And we look forward to doing more of this in order to raise our children to be AI experts and to be contributors and ensure that our children are not left behind, even as the world is being disrupted and things are continually being shaped by artificial intelligence and machine learning.